Hi, my pupils. I'm Ms. Iman Sayed from Learning Teacher Iman channel. Today, I will revise grade 6, connect grade 6. But before I will go to the revise today, I would like to say don't forget to make share, like, subscribe to my channel. This is my channel, send you new videos. Let's go to our revise today. I will start Unit 1 in Connect, Grade 6, first term. Today I will explain Lesson 1. Next class I will start the Lesson 2 because the Connect 6 is full of information, and I would like to understand with me what I explain. So so today I will explain lesson 1. Next class I will continue the unit. Let's go to our unit today. Our unit today is about green sets. Okay, green sets. We work in the community garden. Let's know more about this topic. Here we have community garden. We will know this later when we read the text and we know more about this vocab. Okay, community garden. We have roof, volunteers, natural fertilizer, tomorrow harvest, apartment block, plain chemicals. Okay, here we have some regular verbs. As we talked before, we have regular and irregular verbs, and I would like to say that irregular verb must be kept like timetable in English. Okay, so we must keep the vocab very well. Every unit or every lesson, we give you some of these regular verbs. Like we say, here is come, came, come. Grow, grown. Means the verb here is a regular verb, changes collectively. Okay. In the regular verb, the verb adding ed only to the verb. Okay. And we told this before. You can return to the videos and revise what we told before. Okay. Here, grow, grew, grown. Still, sold. Let's go to. We have here some expression you must be know, like no school tomorrow means the school out. Okay, that is interesting. We never use chemicals. Let's read the text to know more about this topic. Where does Mariam go on Friday? So here we took where the keywords were before. Where can you guess with me? Grade 6. When we use where WH question where and where used for what, for expressing for asking about that, asking about place. I'm listening to saying this place. We are clever people. Let's read the text and know more about this topic. Where does Mariam go on Fridays? The dialogue is between Noor and Mariam. Let's read the text and know more about this topic. No school tomorrow. Do you want to come to my house? Mariam, thanks Nabila, but I always help my aunt on Friday afternoons at the community garden. Let's know what is the community garden. We will explain later. No, the community garden. What is that? Mariam giving a definition about community garden. Let's know more about this definition. It's a big green space on the roof. The roof is the space on over the house. Okay, this is called the roof. There is a space, is the big space over the house on the roof. On my aunt Salma's apartment block. The people who work there all volunteers from the neighborhood. We grow vegetables to eat, and sometimes we sell them in the market too. So they grow vegetables and fruit, and sometimes what, taking these vegetables and fruit and selling in the market. No, that's interesting. What things do you grow? What things? So Noor asked about what things do you grow? And I would like to go to explain. We took before on grade 4, I think grade 4. Okay, we took two verbs to expressing. We took two verbs expressing one of them expressing groups, and another one we took two verbs before in grade 4: grow, grow, and raise. I will remind you what we took before, okay? Because it's important. And raise and grow. We use raise with what? We can explain grow with we use grow with what? Grow and plant. Both are the same meaning, okay? Grow and plant. We use it for what? For crops. Crops. Okay. What is crops? Like what? Like we say we grow or plant vegetables, fruits. We plant or grow vegetables, fruits, potatoes, tomatoes, and anything. Okay? Vegetables, fruits, tomatoes, anything. Okay, tomatoes. All these are crops. Okay, all these are crops. So we use grow or plant with these crops. We have another meaning of raise. Raise used with what? Raise used with, can you remember with me? You can't remember. I think you go to grade 6 without thinking what we took before. Okay, but we must know, as we told you, that every year related to the second, to the next year. Every year related to the next year. So we must remember with me what we took before. Here we take grow and plant. Use with what group? Raise with what? With animals. When we say, I will remember you what we took to understand me what I want to contact you. Okay. Here we have raise animals like what? Like sheep, like hen. You can say sheep, hens, or chicken, um, chicken, cows, dogs, all these animals or not. So we use the verb raise with this animal. Okay, dogs, all this use for all this takes what? Takes the verb raise. Okay, we have here raise and we have here grow and okay. This is the difference between both verbs. Let's go to another one. It's a big green space on the roof of my Aunt Salma's apartment block. The people who work there are volunteers from the neighborhood. Means they living in the same place, okay, or same district, okay, same district. We grow vegetables to eat, and sometimes we sell them in the market too. No, that is interesting. What things do you grow, Mariam? Mariam, will we usually plant tomatoes, peppers, onions, lettuce, things people eat all time. Sometimes we also plant fruit trees. This year we have lemons and dates. No, and you grow all this food in the middle of the city? Wow. Mariam, yes, it means people can grow their own fresh food and it's organic too. What the meaning of organic means use natural fertilizer. We never use chemicals. Here we have listen and read, check, write, food Mariam mentioned. Mariam mentioned here what? The food that Mariam mentioned here in this topic mentioned what here? Let's go to know. Mentioned what? Lettuce and onions. See, lettuce and onions. We have here lettuce and onions. Lettuce, onions, peppers. So peppers and tomatoes. So both these this food that mentioned that Mariam mentioned tomato and pepper. Let's go to another one. Mention also what onion and lettuce. Onion, lettuce. Can't mention lemon. No. Mention lemon and dates also. Okay, so it will be to mention also onions, lettuce, uh, onion, lettuce, lemon, and date. Let's go to answer the text below this topic. Nabila asks Mariam to go to her house what tomorrow, but Mariam goes to help her what her aunt, as we understand from the topic. Want to help her what to help her aunt. Okay. They work in a community garden on the what on the roof. To be here roof. Uh, they space they what they do what they vegetables and food for people of in local. They what they grow vegetables and food. They grow here. They grow. They grow. Here is they grow. They grow. They grow vegetables and fruit for people in local area. And sometimes what they do what they sell them. They grow vegetables and they grow vegetables and fruit, and they sell them. Okay, sell them. Mariam thinks the community garden is a good idea, but because the space also help to clean uh, because the plants why because the plants also help to clean what to clean because absorb carbon dioxide and give us oxygen. Okay, so it's important for not important as we know in science. Okay, I think we took it in photosynthesis. Okay, we took the carbon dioxide and give us a oxygen. Okay, here is to clean the air in the city. And the garden project is a good place to make new friends here. Okay, let's answer the question below. Organic means we only use space fertilizer, natural, as we understand from the text. I would like to say something. Grade 6. We are grown up in the grade 4 and grade 5, we depend on keeping. Okay, in grade 6, the system of teaching English is more different. Why? Because here we use our mind when we answering the question. We give you the text and you can guess what do you mean, or what do you want from you to answer the question. The question is not comes direct as we took it in grade 4 and grade 5. Grade 4 and grade 5 depends on keeping, and they giving the same question in the exam. But here we have something. We have a little thinking in this way. Okay, you must know this. Okay, people can grow their own space food, own what, own fresh. Mariam always helped her space on Friday afternoon. Help her what, as we understand it from the topic. Understand helps her aunt. So the answer it will be helps her aunt. The community garden is a big garden space on the roof. Let's read the text and answer the question below. Nabila asks Mariam to go to her house tomorrow. But Mariam goes to help her aunt on Fridays. They work in a community garden on the roof, an apartment block. They grow vegetables and fruit for people in the local area, and sometimes they sell them. So Can you guess me? Them here, related to what? Related to what? Grow vegetables and fruits for people in the local area, and sometimes they sell them. Sell what? Vegetables and fruit. So the answer, it will be what? It will be vegetables and fruit. Mariam thinks the community garden is a good idea. Why? Because the plants also help. Because the plants also help to clean the air in the city, and the garden project is a good place to make new friends. Mariam and her aunt grew up space in the community garden. Grow what? Can guess from there. Can know from this text. Why? Grow what? Grow vegetables and fruits. So the answer, it will be this one. Mariam goes to help her aunt on space. Her aunt on space on Fridays. Okay, on Fridays. Let's go to another question. Here we have, what does the underlined pronoun them refer to? I answered during when we read the text. Them related to what? Vegetables and fruit. Okay. When does Mariam think the community garden is a good idea? Sorry, why? Not why. Why does Mariam think the community garden is a good idea? So here I ask about what? Ask about reason. Let's go to answer this question. Why here it thinks that community garden is a good idea? Because the plants, they help to clean the air in the city, and the project and garden project is a good space, is a good place to make new friends. Let's answer this question. As I will write the rule that I write in every video. I write this rule. I hope to be kept. Okay, because it's important. Here we have subject, verb, object. I would like to write this rule when you answer this question. Okay, every question, every rearrange, you must write this rule. Why? To answer this question the correct way. Here we have subject. I search for subject, then verb, then object. Can say Miss Email. This is the same in the question form. No, in the question form we make an inverse or a replacement. Why a replacement? Place the verb in instead of subject. When we say he is a boy. Okay, he is a boy. So when we make a question, we say, is he a boy? So here I replace the subject. The subject. I will write it here on the board. Like we say this. I will write it here. As we told before, the sentence consists of what? Subject. Sentence consists of what? Subject plus verb plus object. Okay, I will explain if you forgot. Okay, object plus verb plus object. I will give you a sentence and I will put it in the statement form and question form. Like we say, he is a boy. Okay, for example, he is a boy. This is called a statement question, a statement sentence. Okay, and I put the full stop at the end of the sentence. When I make this sentence in the question form, what can I do? Here we have a verb. Here we have a verb in instead of verb on subject. Like what I write here. I make an inverse. So as the inverse, it will be, is he a boy? You can say, can do this Iman, and you can't do anything. Here is something missing. What is the missing here? You have a question mark. You can say, if Miss Iman will forget the question mark, what happened? It will be minus half down. Okay, I will say you, it will be half mark. Okay, you don't forget. If you have a question form, you put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Don't forget to do so. Okay, so here is subject, verb, object. This is the sentence that consists, or this is the part of the sentence, of the statement sentence. Here, write this in this way. He is a boy. This is a statement form. Here is a subject. This is a subject. The subject can be noun or pronoun. This is a verb. The verb is the base of the sentence. Any sentence can't be related with each step without a verb. Verb is I would like to say the verb is a stone of the sentence. Is a stone. Can you build the building without stone? So the verb here is the stone of the sentence. So he is a boy. So what can I do it in the question form? I can do it like this. Is he a boy? Let's go to continue our lesson. Here, as we told you, the subject, verb, object, as I explained the sentence. Let's go to answer this question. So here it will be what here is lemons. This we takes have and year. So we have we this lemon this so to be this year we have lemons and dates. So the answer would be year this year this year we have lemon and this year we have lemons and dates. This year we have lemons and dates. Lemons and dates. We have lemons and dates. Lemons and dates. I put the full stop at the end of the okay? My to do to you come house what so the answer is to be do you want to come do you want do you want to come to my house do you do you want do you want to come to my to do you want to come to my house come do you want to come to my house to my house do you want to come to my house I put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Don't forget to put the question mark at the end of the sentence. Today, here I answered two sentences. I will leave the rest of this, the other two sentences as a homework. I will leave it to do it as a homework. I would like to say something grade 6. This is the first time I explain grade 6, connect grade 6, hope I hope to contact to contact with you if our explain is if you can our explain is clear and you can understand to me or not. I hope to write on the dialog box if there is clear or if something different can I explain again. I hope to write these opinions on the in the dialog box or below the video to know to because I would like to know your opinions to improve our explaining or adding the new things. Okay, I would like to make a dialogue with you. Okay, here is we have a punctuate. Here is the punctuate. What can I do here? What can I do here? As we took it in grade 4 and grade 5, we underline the word and the missing punctuation mark that is missing to answer to correct it. Okay, here we have W written in capital in small letter. Mariam is the name, and put it and what and written in small letter. And we have here question mark. What can I do? I can write what here in capital letter. Mariam in here in capital letter, and I put a question mark at the end of the sentence. Okay. Today we finished our lesson. Next class next class we continue the rest of the unit. Thanks a lot until we meet again. Goodbye.